Step-by-step roadmap for pursuing a career in machine learning in 2023. Step 1. Fundamentals and prerequisites, months 1 to 3. Month 1. Understand the basics. Learn about the fundamentals of machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Study linear algebra, calculus, and probability theory as they form the basis of many machine learning algorithms. Month 2 to 3. Programming proficiency. Gain proficiency in programming languages like Python or R, widely used in machine learning. Familiarize yourself with libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn for data manipulation and modeling. Step 2. Data handling and preprocessing, months 4 to 6. Month 4. Data collection and cleaning. Understand data collection techniques and sources. Learn data cleaning, dealing with missing values, and handling outliers. Month 5. Data exploration and visualization. Master data exploration techniques using libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Visualize data to uncover patterns, trends, and potential insights. Month 6. Feature engineering. Study techniques to create relevant features from raw data. Learn about dimensionality reduction methods like PCA. Step 3. Model selection and training, months 7 to 10. Month 7. Model types and selection. Explore various types of machine learning models: regression, classification, clustering, and neural networks. Understand the trade-offs between different algorithms and how to select the right one for a specific problem. Month 8. Model training and evaluation. Learn how to split data into training, validation, and test sets. Train models using appropriate techniques and evaluate their performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Month 9 to 10. Hyperparameter tuning and optimization. Dive into hyperparameter tuning to enhance model performance. Study optimization techniques like gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. Step 4. Advanced topics, months 11 to 14. Month 11. Deep learning basics. Delve into neural networks, understanding layers, activations, and architectures. Implement basic neural networks using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Month 12 to 13. Natural language processing or computer vision. Choose a specialization between NLP or computer vision. Learn about techniques like word embeddings, sequence models, LSTM, GRU, or convolutional neural networks, CNN. Month 14. Reinforcement learning or generative models. Explore advanced topics like reinforcement learning or generative models, GANs. Gain insights into training agents for games or creating synthetic data. Step 5. Real-world applications and projects, months 15 to 18. Month 15 to 16. Work on projects. Apply your knowledge to real-world projects. This could involve solving business problems, image recognition, or natural language understanding. Month 17 to 18. Kaggle and competitions. Participate in Kaggle competitions to challenge your skills. Collaborate with other data enthusiasts and learn from diverse approaches. Step 6. Specialization and career growth. Months 19 to 22. Month 19 to 20. Specialization. Deepen your expertise in a specific subfield of machine learning, like deep reinforcement learning or medical imaging analysis. Month 21 to 22. Networking and portfolio building. Attend conferences, workshops, and meetups to connect with professionals in the field. Showcase your projects and achievements through a strong online portfolio and GitHub repository. Step 7. Continuous learning, ongoing. Stay updated, follow research. Keep up with the latest research papers, blogs, and advancements in the machine learning community. Adaptation. Evolve with the field. Machine learning is rapidly evolving. Be prepared to adapt to new tools, techniques, and trends.